if you have the Homerun Pet CS106 litter box, you're going to want the Homerun Pet litter bags. Now, yes, you could use other bags in this, but there are good reasons why you want to use these bags. Full disclosure, I was gifted this box many months ago, and I was just gifted more bags. Let's check these out, and I will show you all the reasons why you need these bags. Now, you get 3 rolls of 10 bags each. They're a very fair price, and the main reason why you want these bags is not only are they designed to perfectly fit in the dirty litter drawer, but they're extremely durable. So once that is all full and you're ready to take that dirty litter to the trash, it's not gonna rip on you. The smell is going to stay inside it as well as it can, as long as you tie it well, and it really is going to do exactly what you want. Boring, I know, but sometimes the boring things are the most important. Now here's the bag. It is roughly 21 by 16 inches. So yes, it is designed for these drawers, and it really is as easy as you'd expect, which I'm sure you've already been doing this, since if you're getting these bags, you probably already have this litter box, but just pull that drawer out. I've already cleaned it out, but this is when you'd empty your dirty bag. And then you're just going to slide the new clean bag in. And I always open up the bag first just to make sure it is as open as possible before I tuck on the lid. And then I just tuck it over the top, put on that lid to hold it in place, and we're good to go. Super clean, really nice all around. And right here, this is one of the reasons why I think it is really important to use their bags, is because their bags really are designed for the width of this drawer. And if you had an oversized bag, it could spill out the back a little bit, cause a bump out here that's not great, might not warn you when you need to empty this box, and then you might have more overflow. So I really recommend using the bags that are designed specifically for the Homerun Pet CS106. And another part I really like is that when the bags are not in use, my cat will chew on these if they are easily available. And this is a resealable packet. So as long as I rip off this top piece of plastic, which would also tempt him, all the rest of that is sealed inside of it. Yes, he could chew on this. I'll still tuck it away, but I really like that it is resealable, easy to contain, easy to grab a bag when I need it. Homerun Pet, a great box, especially for large kitties, with great accessories as well.